Did you know snake plants are more than just a pretty face? This may seem like a simple question, but there's a whole lot more hidden beneath its surface. These plants, despite appearing to be nothing more than home decorations, have a multitude of layers to them that we will dive into today. The snake plant, also known as Sansevieria, is a member of the Asparagaceae family. This family is a wide and varied group of plants, all of which have unique and interesting properties. They're not just pretty plants that grace your living room corner. They are hardy plants, able to survive in the harshest of conditions. Snake plants are drought tolerant, which means they are able to thrive even when water is scarce. This is because they have specialized structures in their leaves which allow them to store water for extended periods of time. This makes them ideal for those who may forget to water their plants from time to time. Snake plants are also environmentally friendly plants. They contribute to improving the air quality by absorbing toxins and releasing oxygen, even at night. This makes them excellent companions for your bedroom. The snake plant does this through a process known as crassulacean acid metabolism, CAM, where they intake carbon dioxide at night and release oxygen, a unique attribute in the plant kingdom. This not only helps to increase the overall air quality, but also contributes to a better and healthier living environment. Additionally, snake plants are packed with surprising benefits. They are known to absorb harmful pollutants such as benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, xylene, and toluene. These are common pollutants found in homes and offices emitted from furniture, carpets, and electronics. Thus, having a snake plant around helps to significantly reduce these toxins, contributing to a healthier living space. Furthermore, studies have shown that having snake plants in the home can help to reduce stress and improve mood. The green color of the plants is naturally calming, and caring plants can also provide a sense of accomplishment and pride. This is not to mention the visual appeal of these plants with their tall, upright leaves and their striking patterns, which add an element of sophistication and elegance to any room. Welcome to MidTown Farmer, where we dive into the wonders of the natural world. We aim to bring you closer to nature by exploring the many aspects of plants, their care, and benefits. In our journey through the green world, we have encountered many fascinating plants, each carrying their distinctive charm and characteristics. But today we're focusing on one that stands out amongst the crowd, a superstar, if you will. The snake plant, with its array of benefits and striking appearance, captures the attention of many plant enthusiasts and beginners alike. It's an easy plant to care for, requiring minimal attention, which makes it perfect for those who are new to the world of houseplants. But even those with a green thumb will find the snake plant to be a unique addition to their plant collection. The snake plant has a rich history, with its roots tracing back to West Africa. It was regarded as a symbol of strength and resilience to withstand harsh conditions. This belief still holds true today, as the snake plant stands tall and strong, gracefully adorning our homes and offices. Today we're putting the spotlight on the superstar of the houseplant world, the snake plant. As we delve deeper into the world of this remarkable plant, we'll explore its diverse species, each with their unique patterns and color variations. From the classic Sansevieria trifasciata laurenti, with its yellow edge, to the cylindrical Sansevieria cylindrica, there's a snake plant to suit every style and preference. We'll also delve into the various care practices for snake plants, from watering schedules to light preferences and even pest control. We'll provide you with all the knowledge you need to ensure your snake plant thrives and rewards you with its mesmerizing beauty. So, whether you're a seasoned plant lover looking to broaden your collection or a beginner hoping to embark on a green journey, the snake plant offers a world of possibilities. In conclusion, the snake plant not only elevates the aesthetic appeal of your space, but also contributes significantly to your well-being, making it a great addition to any home or office. So next time you're looking to add a touch of green to your space, remember the snake plant, more than just a pretty face, an embodiment of strength, resilience, and beauty. And our first stop on this green journey is the role of snake plants as air purification powerhouses. Snake plants aren't just decorative, they work overtime to clean your indoor air. They absorb toxins like benzene, formaldehyde, xylene, and nitrogen oxides, all while you're sleeping or going about your day. Just imagine a greener, cleaner home simply by adding these elegant plants to your decor. Next, we're talking about the snake plant as an eco-friendly phytoremediator. This fancy term refers to the plant's ability to clean up environmental pollutants. With pollution becoming a major issue, snake plants are a small but significant way to contribute to a cleaner environment. Now, have you ever wanted to grow your own snake plant? It's easier than you might think. Propagating a snake plant involves cutting a leaf into sections and planting them in moist soil. In just a few weeks, you'll see new growth. But like all plants, snake plants can be susceptible to diseases like anthracnose and bacterial blight. Make sure to keep an eye out for signs of these diseases, such as water-soaked spots or wilting leaves. Did we mention snake plants have medicinal properties too? Research suggests that they can help manage diabetes by controlling blood sugar levels. They've been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and modern science is just catching up. Of course, we can't forget about the basics of snake plant care. They need indirect light and only occasional watering. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so make sure the soil dries out between waterings. And finally, a word of caution. While snake plants are wonderful in many ways, they can be toxic to pets and children if ingested. So always keep them out of reach. So there you have it, the versatile, resilient, and beneficial snake plant. Not just a pretty face indeed. Remember, every plant you bring into your home is a step toward a greener, healthier world. Before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this journey through the world of snake plants, do consider giving us a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button. MidTown Farmer is here to guide you through the wonders of the plant world, one leaf at a time. And if you know someone who might find this video helpful, feel free to share it with them. Until next time, keep growing.
Damn.